Wildfire alert from Deschutes County Sheriff's Office. This is a Level 3 Go Now evacuation notice. Due to fire conditions, the following areas are at Level 3, east of Highway 97, north of Reed Road, including areas off Rossland Road. Level 3 means leave immediately. There is extreme danger and you should evacuate now. If you choose to ignore this alert, know that public safety personnel may not be available to help you. Do not stop to gather your belongings or protect your home. Leave as fast as possible. Drive carefully. Turn on your headlights. Follow traffic safety warnings. Do not return to the area until public safety officials announce that it is safe. After you evacuate, continue to monitor local social media, TV, radio, your telephone devices and www.deschutes.org/emergency. Do not call 911 unless you are experiencing an immediate life safety issue.